The phylum Ctenophora consists of comb jellies or the sea walnuts. They are less known, and there are only few species which have been identified so far. The body form, as you can see, it is kind of rounded, oval, or conical, flattened also at times. First category is about the symmetry. Biradial symmetry is seen in case of Ctenophora because the tentacles, they are present as if dividing the entire body into bilateral symmetry. Whereas the comb plates, these structures, here there will be presence of comb plates, and these structures are making the entire body get divided into radial symmetry because there are eight number of comb plates present. So that's why they have biradial symmetry. The germ layers are two, so ectoderm and endoderm is present in case of the Ctenophora, and they are diploblastic organisms. Level of organization is again like the Cnidarians, that is tissue level of organization where there is no presence or no trace of any organ. Appendages, again we can think of, there is no head, presence of tentacles is there, and these tentacles help in locomotion as well. So locomotion takes place because of two things: one is the comb plates and second one is the tentacles. So retractile motion is there because of the presence of tentacles, and as a result the entire body of the organism, it is held backwards and it can move. The body wall is consisting of two walls, that is outer epidermis and inner gastrodermis. Epidermis contains some sensory cells and mucosal gland cells, which are known as the coloblast cells. These coloblast cells, they secrete some amount of sticky or adhesive substance. This adhesive substance goes and binds with the food particles, and the food can be taken in by the organism either by intracellular, like the way of digestion in case of Ctenophora can be either intracellular or it can be extracellular, depending on the environment. Now, because of complex, the motion or movement is taking place in the organism, and also the body symmetry is getting defined. Presence of two pores make it quite evident that they have a complete digestive system. One can be taken as a mouth, and another pore can be taken up as a anus. So movement of food particles takes place from one pore and removal from another pore. So with this kind of body system, we can think that these organisms are little more developed as compared to the Cnidarians, because the Cnidarians didn't have this kind of specialization. There is presence of statocyst, which is a sensory organ at the epidermal area along with the coloblast cells. So this is what we have already discussed about. The bioluminescence is a very important phenomenon which takes place in the tyranophore, and it is caused by activation of calcium activated proteins like the photoproteins by the photocyte cells. These photocyte cells are present in the com completes. So bioluminescence is a very important phenomena which can be seen in the Ctenophora. This is to be kept in mind, and you can just recapitulate all the important points which you have learned, or unique features which you have learned about the animal. But before that, we should learn about some of the examples. Hormifora, Pleurobrachia, or Cydipedia is a kind of comb jelly, Biroi. These are some of the common examples of Ctenophora. And if we think about the characteristics, once again, the unique features of these like phylum. First thing is about the presence of ciliated tracts, that is the comb plates, which are helpful in swimming of the for the Ctenophora. Second thing is presence of adhesive cells like the coloblast cells, which help in trapping the prey or taking up the food particles. There is presence of two anal pores. So one can serve as a mouth and another can serve as an anal pore, and as a result we can see that these organism has a complete digestive tract, although it is not complete, but still we can say that they have complete digestive tract. We can also recapitulate the presence of statocyst in this organism, which acts as a sensory cell, and the statocyst is also present over the completes. So all the completes will be having the presence of statocyst over them. The body cavity is again like the cnidarians. There is no body fluid present in the body cavity, so they are acoenomates. And the tentacles are present which help in locomotion. They have retractile motion. The symmetry is biradial in case of Ctenophora, and some of the examples are here. So if we want to compare as compared to the cnidarians, these are little more developed, and